Welcome back to Car Updater. But today, we're stepping off the pavement and diving into the soil, history, and horsepower of a machine that didn't just shape farms, it helped feed the world. This is the story of Massey Ferguson, the legendary name in agriculture. Origin of a legacy. It all started in the mid-1800s when Daniel Massey, a Canadian blacksmith, built a workshop to make tools that helped farmers. Fast forward a few decades, and in 1953, Massey Harris merged with Ferguson, the British tractor pioneer, to create the powerhouse we now know as Massey Ferguson. They didn't just build machines, they built the future of farming, the tractor that changed everything. One of their biggest breakthroughs? The Ferguson TE20, nicknamed the Little Gray Fergie. This wasn't just a tractor, it was a revolution on four wheels. Affordable, durable, easy to operate. It gave small farmers the power to do more, faster, smarter, and cheaper. And guess what? That formula worked. Innovation that touched every field. Massey Ferguson introduced a three-point hitch system, making it easier for tractors to connect with plows, mowers, seeders, and more. This one invention changed modern farming forever. No more chains or complicated connections. Just hook, lift, and go. Farmers loved it. The world needed it. From the wheat fields of Canada to the rice paddies of Asia, Massey Ferguson tractors became the backbone of agriculture in over 140 countries. In Africa, it helped improve food production. In South America, it revolutionized sugarcane and soybean farming. In Europe, it supported precision agriculture before the term even became popular. What makes Massey Ferguson special? Reliability. These machines are workhorses, built tough for harsh conditions. And still, thousands of old models are running strong today. Farmers hand them down from generation to generation, just like land, knowledge, and legacy. Today, Massey Ferguson is part of AGCO, a global agricultural giant. But the mission is still the same: build smart, strong, and sustainable machines for real farmers. With new innovations like precision GPS planting, fuel-efficient engines, and digital diagnostics, Massey Ferguson continues to lead, not just in fields, but in the future of food production. So the next time you see that red tractor with the triple triangle logo, remember, it's not just a machine. It's a symbol of progress, of feeding billions, of a company that helped grow the world one harvest at a time. This is Massey Ferguson. And this is the legacy that fed the planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Updater for more powerful stories on wheels. From road beasts to farm legends,